Waking Up with
Shivraj Prashad, your host on Good Morning Grammar. Now this show is really all about you. If you hear someone using poor grammar, pronunciation, or just enunciating ideas poorly, instead of being rude and correcting them, just turn them over to our Good Morning Grammar experts. So it's Global Pride Month, and understandably the right use of grammar has become quite topical, especially on the issue of pronouns. To that effect, we have a few listener feedback clips. The first one is from Smita Maitra, a home entrepreneur and mother who asks about the right use of pronouns.
Hi, my name is Smita and I start every morning with Good Morning Grammar. I enjoy this podcast very much. My question is, what is the correct way to speak to someone who does not identify with any particular gender? What pronoun should I use when I meet someone for the first time and I'm not aware of their gender identity? Thank you.
So here's a clip from Vedika Saxena who responds to Smita. Vedika spearheads gender and sexuality sensitization at the Tagore International School.
Quickly introducing myself, I am Vedika Saxena and I work as the project director with Tagore International School in Basant Vihar. Grammar has always been my favorite topic since school days. So here I am today talking about the importance of using pronouns while addressing a person. I'm sure you've all heard the news of introduction of the word they in the dictionary as referring to a person as non-binary. We must understand that not most of us care to use these pronouns correctly while talking to the person. It's also an extremely important, powerful, and I believe a useful way for people who are non-binary, who don't identify themselves as the binary genders of male or female to describe themselves, because they and them are not explicitly gendered. For people who are non-binary, they may ask you to use they, them, theirs as the pronouns. So next time you're addressing somebody, do care to ask them what their pronoun is and then use it accordingly.
Of course, this isn't the last word on the use of pronouns. But what's great is that Good Morning Grammar set about to really connect people, and that's what this episode did. I hope what you heard was useful, but we'd love to hear from you as well. You too can feature on any episode by sending in your requests or feedback with a voice message on WhatsApp on +91 962 547 5442 or via email at shivraj@brevis.in. Or you could follow, subscribe, add, rate and review by looking for us. The Brevis Living and Learning Podcast on Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or any of your other favorite podcast apps. We'd be happy to read out your message here or even play it on an entire Friday special episode. Have a good day and stay tuned for another fresh episode of Good Morning Grammar.